Hello student, myself Miss R. Kuldeep, Assistant Professor Botany, Government BP Dev PG College, Kanker. Today we are going to study about Rosaceae family. So this is Rosaceae family. It is a very important family. This is known as Roses family. It is one of the major angiospermic family. At first you see the systematic position of this family. According to Bentham Hooker, 1862, subgroup Phanerogamous, then class Dicotyledons, and Polypetalae, Calciflorae, Roselle, and this family Rosaceae. Then distribution of this family distributed all over the world, especially America, Europe, and Asian countries. Then it is commonly known as Rose family. It contains 115 genera and 3,200 species, out of which 257 species are found in India. Next, some important genera of these families is Paracensus amygdalus, almond, Paracensus persica, peach, Paracensus malleus is apple, Paracensus communis pear, Fragaria vesca, strawberry, Rosa centifolia, cabbage rose, and Potentilla repentinus. These are the some important genera of these families. Then we come to the vegetative characters of these families. Then habit. This family shows much very well. Some are the tree like Paracensus persica, some are shrub like Rosa, and other annual perennial herb like Fragaria is a creeping herb. And next, root, tap roots, branch sometimes adventitious. And then stem, erect, prostate or climber, hard and woody. Then leaves alternate, simple and rarely opposite. Its genus Pyraceus itself has a simple and compound leaves in different species. In Rosa and other genera, they are pinnately compound leaves. Leaves may be pinnately compound as a Fragaria and Potentilla. Now, floral character. Flowers solitary or grouped in racemose or cymose form. Then flower regular, actinomorphic, rarely zygomorphic, bisexual, pentamerous, but sometimes perigynous, but sometimes epigynous. They are hypogynous in Fragaria and ruberous, perigynous in Rosa. Next, calyx, number of sepals 5, gamosepals, sometimes epicalyx present, valvate or imbricate estivation shows. Next, this number of sepals 1 to 5 shows here in figure. And the next, corolla, petal 5 or multiple of 5, polypetalous, and petals white or pink or red, often attractive, usually 5. Imbricate, attached below the disc. May be indefinite number of petals, free, and shows imbricate estivation. This picture shows petals, number of petals. Then after that we see the reproductive organs. Androecium. Androecium usually stamen numerous, bent in bud condition. In Agrimonia species, there are 10 stamens in 2 wall of 5 each. In Rosa, the 5 pair of stamens in the outer wall are opposite to the petal and successive alternating whorl contain 10 stamens each. In Asia, the filament of 10 to 15 stamens are united, forming a flat structure, and they become free near the top. This picture shows the number of indefinite stamen. Next, gynoecium. Carpel 1 are indefinite, syncarpus, placentation, axillary basal placentation. In Fragaria and Ruvus, it is superior and consisting of several free carpel seated on the carpophore, which is swelled. And in Parus species, gynoecium is 2 to 5 carpellary, syncarpus, and it is situated in a deep cup with which it is fused. In Rosa, there are numerous free carpels present in a deep cup shaped thalamus. It is monocarpellary, and the solitary carpel is situated in a hollow thalamus in Pyrasus. Each carpel contains 2 or more ovules which are basal or pendulous. Style of carpel are free and they are lateral or terminal. Next we see the fruit. Achenes of follicles, drupe, pome, then seed non-endospermic, and pollination entomophilous. Insect are attracted by nectar. Then floral formula. Floral formula is a means of represent the structure of flower using number, letter, and various symbol presenting substantial information about this flower. So this is the floral formula of Rosaceae family. Typical Rosaceae family is actinomorphic, rarely zygomorphic, hermaphrodite, and this calyx number of 5, and gamo, this corolla number of 5 are indefinite number, androecium indefinite number, gynoecium 1 to indefinite, and this superior and or 2 to 5, and syncarpus and superior ovary. And after that we see the floral diagram. Floral diagram is a graphic representation of the flower structure. This shows the number of flower organs, their arrangement, and their fusion. So this figure shows the typical flowering rose flowers, flower twin, and this LS of flower, and this ovary, and this TS of ovary shows the oval monocarpal, and this ovary outermost ovary wall, and this gynoecium, this ovary style, and this stigma, and this stamen, and this floral diagram of Rosa indica. This number of 5 sepal imbricate estivation, and this petal, and this stamen indefinite number, and this gynoecium 1 to indefinite. And after that we see the economic importance of this family. Rosaceae is very important economically. Many members of this families are important as a ornamental because of their flower, and some other member of this family containing various type of valuable fruits. So we have discussed some important plants of this family. Valuable plant of this family is fruits. Many fruits are obtained from the plant of this family. Some important fruits are Parasus amylodalus, almond, persica, Parasus persica, peach, Parasus mollis, apple, and Fragaria vesca, strawberry, etc. Then medicinal plant, the petal of rose are used in making gulkan, rose water, rose scent, and Potentia repensans is herb used as a remedy of diarrhea. Though many commercial and medicinal use of the petals of some common rose are called gulab. In many Asian countries like Pakistan, the petals of rose are used, rose oil, rose gulab arc, etc. And then ornamental uses of this family. Ornamental, a large number of plant of this family are ornamental. They are a grow in garden for their beautiful and scented. The genus Rosas widely cultivated for decorative purpose. It has been growing since ancient time. Its cultivated name are in thousand. There are so many other genera are cultivated in park and garden and houses like Rosa, Alba, Indian white rose. This is her, grow as ornamental in the garden. Rosa mollicles, black cherry. This is found in Assam. And Rosa chinensis, this Desi gulab. This is chiefly cultivated in the Kanpur. The petals are the source of rose water, essential oil, and pankhudis are from gulkan. And Rosa centifolia, this is a herb or a small shrub. This is cultivated mainly in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. The petal yield in a essential oil which is used in perfume. Then Rosa Bexai, Bankesia rose, this is climbing herb. This is native of China. It is grow in a ornamental in this garden. Then Potentilla species, this is a small herb. The leaf possess medicinal properties and used as a substitute for tea. Potellia nepalensis, this is a medicinal plant used as a remedy of burn. Then some woody plants. The wood of Cynodenea indica, Cretaceous etc. is used as a making tool handles and Then references, ये practical book of botany, Dr. Ashok Bendre. Thank you.